Yeah, I took bottles out there just like everybody else. And, take it over to the ballpark. Here, I brought you guys something. Well, hell, they love that.
We live out in the country. There's not a lot that goes on out there, but softball was big. And Toby made a lot of friends playing softball. Good friends. And they always looked up to Toby.
I knew Toby from being around the softball fields. If you're at the softball park and Toby's there, you're going to know it.
Now here's a story for you one and all. Together we stand, divided we fall. Together we stand, divided we must fall.
Toby was a great player. I mean, it's just like any sport you do. You look up to the guys that are better than you.
Me and Dusty, when we played, our thing was we'd always try to light the pitcher up.
Toby and I would actually compete, saying, how many pitchers you take out this weekend? Well, I took out 2.
Watch your chicklets. I made my best friends playing softball. Even though we didn't play on the same team, we had a different kind of bond.
We were the best of the best.
Mike was on the police department. He was a big old boy. I'm not a gay man, but he's a good-looking guy. Sean Searcy. He drove trucks over at Wild Turkey. He was kind of a ladies' man. He'd bat his eyes around those girls that flocked to him. Ronnie Lee, he's kind of quiet until he gets drinking and he gets a little redneck. He just gets drunk and gets mouthy. Playing softball with my best friends, it made you feel real good.
Now here's a story for you one and all. Together we stand, divided we fall. Together we stand.
I love those guys. I always love them.
Together we stand, divided we must fall.